Hey, what's up, radio? Welcome to episode number 123 here on season number 2. And today we are getting into the Good Bean Fava and Peas review.
Cars.
Wow. What did we bring? What? We brought some crazy stuff on today, man. Crazy microphones, huh?
Yeah.
Mine's a monster truck.
My cars are packed up.
You are, yep. Anyways, Jay, should we try these first or tell them about it?
Try them first.
Put them on.
Those.
All right, let's open it up right here. Wow, stuff starts coming out. All right, go ahead and dig down deep. All right. So it looks like a lot of the... Oh, maybe it's just the... For some reason, it looked like a lot of the peas were at the bottom or something like that. Anyways, we'll just put this over here. I got some in my hand. I got like a... All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. That's a pretty good crunch. Do you like them?
Yeah, especially they're peanuts.
You like peanuts?
And our tongue will touch it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because tongue and berry can touch stuff.
So literally these peas and fava beans are just that, cooked in a little bit of oil and then tossed in a little bit of sea salt.
I'm just so excited.
So these fava beans and peas are non-GMO, gluten-free, vegan, and they also have no peanuts in there, which they kind of do, guess, fix that peanut craving, right, Jacob? You said that they kind of taste like peanuts, right?
Which cars?
They kind of taste like peanuts, right? See, there you go. Snacks actually have 7 grams of protein per serving, which I don't know really if that's a good amount or not, but it sounds like it's good. On their website, a bag of 6 of these sizes retails for $27. Basically, that comes down to less than $5 a bag. Jacob, do you think that's pretty good cost per bag? They also have other flavors, which I am so jealous to try. The other flavors are like cracked black pepper, sea salt. Well, sea salt we already have. Chili limon, sweet cinnamon, classic hummus Thai coconut. And then they also, I guess, have a new flavor, something that has to do with Sriracha. And to me, I also like how the package looks. It really kind of just like grabs your attention. A robot.
Yeah, and space.
My main concern with a good looking package is, does the look actually taste like the product inside? And for that, we have to ask Jay. So Jacob, is this a buy or a trash?
A buy.
Can you tell them?
It's a buy.
There you have it, folks. It's a buy. Officially a buy. Anyways, let's go ahead and wrap it up right there. Let's jump to the question of the day, which is, what topic could you spend hours talking about?
About race cars.
About race cars. And what else?
About monster trucks and fast cars.
Monster truck and fast cars. Anyways, there you. That's yeah, I would actually agree there, Jay. That's something that you could talk about for. Let me tell you, he could talk about them for a while. Anyways, like I always say, if you got any questions regarding Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, as well as general investing advice, business Etsy coaching, and A1 finance, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe right up here and check out We Try Emmy's coconut cookies. Check out the video right here. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.